we realized the feelings of discrimination and prejudice against infectious disease make it difficult to solve problems related to novel coronavirus infection. We then use this picture book to tell how to avoid creating these feelings. After talking advice from the mentor and reading this picture book to the children, they listened attentively and showed understanding. Their ideas about infectious disease are greatly influenced by their parents and surroundings. Our uniqueness is that we choose the media of picture books, which allows adults to learn along with children. We are working on 2 steps to make our idea a success. Step 1 is the lecture activity and step 2 is this picture book. The violation method will be the number of lectures and the number of people for step 1, and the number of distribution and the response of readers for step 2, the picture book. Let's explain the lecture activity of step 1. Ms. Miyamoto's message, strengthening resilience to infectious disease, has resonated with many people, and she has given lecture to a total of over 500 people at the schools and public lectures. We will continue to respond to requests for this program. We are also planning a class with Junior Red Cross leaders on strengthening infectious disease resilience for second grade elementary school students. We have set up the children as key parents, and we work to build a system where they can learn in a sustainable way. Next, step 2 is the picture book. In order to perfect our picture book, we read the book to the children at preschool and other locations and solicit their opinions and feedback. We have received high praise from nursery school staff who say it is wonderful that the content of the picture book match what we want to convey to the children and their parents. The fund provided by Limitless will be used to produce and distribute the picture book.
We see the current situation of increased discrimination, isolation, and social fragmentation due to the new coronavirus infections as an opportunity to emphasize the importance of mutual understanding and personal resilience. Our program uses the YABC method, which we learned at the Red Cross, and we believe that YABC can promote awareness and behavioral change. Our efforts are disseminated throughout Japan through our head office, and we are given leadership positions in training sessions. We contribute to the development of ethical leaders who can calmly respond to crisis situations.